Hi, Corey Callahan, Senior Partner Development Manager here at AvePoint on the U.S. MSP Channel Sales team.
Hi, I'm David Huseonica, COO of Rojoli Services. We are a MSP for the SMB market, doing primarily cloud hosting and help desk.
All right, David, good morning. Here with David Huseonica. I know that we've been partnered together for a while, particularly in the data protection space where y'all are leveraging our cloud backup solution for extending data protection services to your clients. So tell us a little bit about that service, or like any particular customer cases that really come to mind where we've kind of helped support that one.
So we started our relationship, as you know, in the backup space, and it was a natural extension for us, being Office 365 based, where we needed to have a tool that we could provide protection and recovery ability for that. We already had that on the server side, and so when we found the AvePoint solution for Office 365, it made us think about this ought to be a key part of everything we do.
Yeah.
And that's really what it's become, is as we go out now and we acquire new customers in our managed services practice, we just automatically build in the AvePoint cloud backup as a part of that. And we've had many cases where it's been really a savior for the customer and also us to be able to recover from either accidental or malicious deletion of data. Matter of fact, a recent situation we had with a client that was actually in litigation with an employee, we were able to help recreate a series of restores that showed the actual, the tracing of information when it was deleted and who deleted it, and it provided evidence that the employee had actually accessed the system after they were terminated.
Yeah. Did you have a good option for doing that prior to AvePoint for supporting a case like that?
We did not. I mean, Microsoft provides some basic logs in their systems, which you can access for who has accessed things, but those logs are deleted after a period of time. So for us to be able to go back and see actual emails or SharePoint files or OneDrive files that existed prior to the period of time and then were deleted and who deleted it, we had no way of doing that.
Outside of the data protection space, where else are you seeing partnership with AvePoint help support the Rojoli practice?
Yeah, so we began looking at, with artificial intelligence coming out now, how do we help customers in looking at their data protection as far as who has access, permissions, where things are shared, because as we know, Copilot and other artificial intelligence tools, they can surface data from anything that it has access to.
Oh yeah.
So we moved then into the AvePoint policies and insights as a way that we can scan and then also show customers where all that data is, who has access and who has permission and where it's shared. And that's been very valuable in painting that picture so the data cleanup can be done prior to actually unveiling Copilot.
So last question, David. Any advice for other MSPs out there or anybody that's considering partnering with AvePoint?
Well, I wouldn't have any qualms about moving with AvePoint. I mean, they're a quality company, great products, great people. The thing that I would say is, the decision we made was we're just going to include it in everything we do. So all of our MSP contracts, it's automatic, it's just already in there. So I would suggest that's the right way to do it versus to try to go and do it as an add-on after the fact.
Right. Well, David, appreciate you breaking that down for us and sharing some insights from the Rojoli side. Obviously, appreciate the long partnership that we've had and looking forward to great things in the future with you.
We appreciate AvePoint.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Thank you.